Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this flying thingy in Minecraft. So now you'll be able to do it. So yeah, let's get into it. So what you're gonna need is a server. You're gonna want it to be facing upwards. So I'm gonna try to do that. Okay, we did that. It's pretty hard actually. And then you're gonna want a sticky piston also facing upwards. And 2 slime blocks. And then you're gonna want to put 2 slime blocks right next to the observer in the sticky piston. And then you're gonna want to make the observer but like downwards, which is pretty hard. I mean, not like that downwards, but like it's like facing downwards. So no, it's not facing downwards. It's like on the side of the block, like right where the top is. So like that, like the other observer. Pretty hard. I'm just gonna cut to when I do it. So I'll be back. Oh, okay, guys. I just did it. And then the sticky piston also is gonna be facing downwards. Nope, not upwards. Oh, I gotta go down here like that. Okay. So all of it is good. Now you're gonna want to break the platform right next to you. Oh God, it's moving with the block. Okay, I'm gonna have to do that again because it moved with the block. Break this one first, and then it should be working. Okay, we're gonna need to give it space. That's why I did it on the top, but it's okay. We'll just do that right now. Oh God, it has the block going with it. Oh God, it's stopping it. No, we're having some trouble. We just need it to have some space. They're very like you know. Okay, it seems like it's working, okay? Okay. Yeah, it's working, but you just gotta make sure it has some space. Because like it has like the slime would stick to a lot of stuff. So there you have it. It would go down a little bit. I don't know about that. But it will go for a little bit. I actually tried it today, and it seems like it was working fine. Like it was definitely working, no problem. I'm just gonna like dig all around it. Why is it raining? Weather here. Okay, it is, well, it's changing to clear. Okay, we gotta give it a lot of space. And now put the, nope. Okay, oh, yeah, okay. It seems like it, okay. Well, that is how to make the thingy. I don't know what it's called. It will just keep on going up and down a little bit, but there you have it. It works. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye.